How to make life in Little Alchemy 2. It is easy to create life in Little Alchemy 2 with simply these four basic elements: air, earth, fire and water. So what we do is we will combine water and water to create a puddle. Puddle and puddle again to create a pond. Then pond and pond to create a lake. Then lake and water to create a sea. Then we will combine earth to sea to create a primordial soup. After we've done that, we will combine fire to create energy. Then to create life, we just have to combine energy to primordial soup, and just like that you have your energy with you. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then make life in Little Alchemy. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.